Alright, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the assignment for this week. It's the circle scavenger hunt. For this one, you're going to need 4 objects with a circle. So it doesn't have to be just a circle, it can just have a circular base. So something like this sharpener. This example is posted on Google Classroom, so you can actually see it there, but I thought I'd just make a video anyway for those of you that don't remember how to find area and circumference. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is go ahead and trace it. I went ahead and traced it already because it's really hard to do with one hand. Now, we're gonna go ahead and find the diameter. Okay, that's the very first thing you should be trying to solve for. Now the diameter here, I'm gonna measure using this. I know you probably don't have the star chart. It doesn't matter. Just use anything you have that can be used to measure. So this, to me, I'm gonna say is about 9 centimeters. So I'm gonna go ahead and label that. Okay. And remember, I wanted you to label what each object was. So I'm just gonna label this hoop earring, and this is the very first one I'm doing. Okay. So first of all, my diameter is 9 centimeters. Notice I'm writing the units. My radius I know is half the diameter. Okay, so if this whole thing is 9, then half of it would be 4.5 centimeters. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and find the circumference. Remember, the circumference is either 2 formulas. It's either 2 pi r or it's c equals pi times diameter. Okay, now I have both diameter and radius. I'm going to go ahead and use the one I think is easier. I'm going to go with 9 because it's a whole number. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one. So I'm going to use c equals, I'm going to leave that blank so I can write the answer there. C equals pi d. Pi is equal to 3 all the time. Remember, pi is always 3. Diameter is 9. I'm going to go ahead and multiply. That is 27. Okay, so under my answer, I should have 27 centimeters, and I'm going to go ahead and box that. Alright. The last thing I need to do for this one is area. So I'm going to go ahead and solve for area. I remember my formula is pi r squared. Okay. So the pi is equal to 3. Remember, it's always 3. The radius, we solved for that. That was 4.5 times 4.5. Okay. Remember, this exponent right here, that 2, means you're multiplying it by itself 2 times. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply this 4.5 times 4.5 first. Remember, it doesn't matter what order you multiply. You could do 3 times 4.5 or 4.5 times 4.5 and then times 3. Okay, which is what I'm going to do actually. So real quick, I'm going to multiply this. That's 25. Carry the 2. That is 22. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry the 2 again. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 2 is 18. Add that all up. I should get 25, but I have 2 numbers after the decimal in total, so I should have a decimal there. So my answer should be 25. My area is 20.25 centimeters squared. Okay? This is what you have to do for one of your examples. Okay? You still have to do 4 more. Like I said, it doesn't matter what type of object it is. I literally could use like the sharpener like I showed you, or the bottom of this little Buc-ee's water bottle. It doesn't matter. Okay, you just need to have 4 of them, and this is for what's due tomorrow, Tuesday. Okay. Alright, if you have any questions, send me a message on Google Classroom, preferably Instagram, because I look at that more often. Okay, hope this helps. Bye.